So in the Midwest, we have something called wind. It comes out once a day and it stays out every day. So one of the problems why you lose so much energy if you're heating your building in the winter or cooling in summer is because that door acts like a sail. So if we're standing outside now we're outside, this is your door jamb, and then this is your door. So when the wind blows, look at how ours will follow. Look at this product here. This won't follow anything because this is, again, this stuff gets hard when it gets like 20 degrees or lower, or it gets hard because the sun shrinks out the oil. Just like the top here, when that wind blows, you know, that just follows your door. That's why you can cut your heating costs easily up to 40%. Because Snert happens, stop it.